Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a quick Walmart haul to share with you all and a little bit from Dollar General. So a majority of these things are from the clearance and they're mostly for Thanksgiving. So here we go. So I grabbed 2 packs of these serving utensils and they're from the Celebrate brand. $1.97 for each. So I grabbed 2 for Thanksgiving. I also picked up the Thanksgiving pie topper and it just says Thanksgiving or give thanks or something like that. But anyway, I grabbed one. This is not for Thanksgiving. It is for a swap. The other thing I grabbed were 2 packs of these napkins, 2-ply 20-piece napkins. Let's see, yeah, guest towels. So I thought these were cute, $1.97 for each. I also picked up 2 packs of the dinner napkins, and I love the plaid or the is it plaid or checkered, or what is the other one? Gingham checks. I don't know. But this one is also 2-ply and 20 count. So 2 of each for the napkins. I thought that was very cute. We love our desserts. So I grabbed 4 packs of these square dessert plates, and it says pass the pie for Thanksgiving. And these are 10 pieces each. Very cute, and they're sturdier than the ones that you would get at Dollar Tree. So I got 4 of these, and these are all $1.97 each. And same goes for the dinner plates, and this one is only 8 pieces, so I picked up 2 of the large give thanks plates, and they're 12 inches, so perfect for Thanksgiving. That would be really cute for Thanksgiving. All right, they were clearing out all their fall florals, so and it's right as you come in the door. So I picked up 4 of these berry bundles, and they're 50 cents each, so you cannot beat it. So 97 cents originally. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. But they were 50 cents for clearance, and they're bigger berries and a different color that I don't have. Oh, there it is, 50 cents clearance. Okay, and then they had these cattails, and these were also 50 cents each, and it was 97 cents to begin with. So I think I guess I only grabbed 3 of those. I only picked up 2 of these bundles, and these are also 50 cents each. Originally 97 cents. So I got 2 of those, because I still have a few. And then these were also 50 cents. I already picked up the black and white, what is it called? Hand towels for the kitchen. So I just picked up the 2 oven mitts, and I will use that around Thanksgiving in our kitchen. And I think there's still a few. So I grabbed one of these in the clearance aisle, or actually no, this was the Christmas one of those dollar gifts. They started putting out those easy to grab gift ideas. So this was theirs for $1 for 2 nail files. And it's the glitter, pretty glitter. And then I also picked up, where did it go? Oh guys, I'm missing, there you go. This was also in the clearance aisle, And this was originally I think $4, and it was $2 when I picked it up. It's got a pretty teal color in the inside, and it's 2 pockets. And this is the UB brand, and it has a little D-ring clamp. So I picked 2 of them up. This is the Yes and the glasses. These are good stocking stuffers for the kids. I also needed a new phone charger, so I just grabbed this out of the checkout aisle. It's a little 6 feet charger. Picked up the mini ornaments. I thought these were wood, but they're plastic. They're not wood. So I wanted to use these for embellishments. So I grabbed a pack of those, and I think these were $1.97. These, on the other hand, were $2. These are wooden ornaments, and this one has the truck with the Christmas tree and then 2 different snowflakes. And these are like woodland creatures, so a squirrel, a moose, a bear, and a fox. And you have 4 pieces each, so 12 total, or 3 pieces each. Okay, so I picked these 2 up. Also in the clearance, the UB brand, I picked up 2 packs for $1 of the puffy stickers. They're really good puffy stickers. And then I picked up 2 packs of the sticker sheets. I can't think, but I believe they're all the same. Yeah, the same design. So all 5 sheets. So I got that. I picked up these unicorns. They were originally $5.88, and I picked it up for $3, and I got 2 of them because lately we've been doing baby baskets, and I figured I could get these for my gifts on top. So for $3, it's not that bad. I got a Christmas mug with a spoon, and this is bigger than the Dollar Tree's little red wagon, or not wagon, trailer. It's bigger. So on this side you have the Christmas tree, and then on the other side you have the door with the wreath and the little, what is that? Like a propane, I don't know, but you can see all the way around. It's very cute for $5, and it's a pretty big size mug. This is a mug. Yep, mug. Yeah, it doesn't say, but that's okay. Let me peel this sticker off. So I might use this around our holiday party we're gonna host in December for like mushrooms for marshmallows, and put that in there. Well, who knows? So I picked that up, and this was $5. And there were other mug designs. They were smaller, and I didn't like the designs. So yeah, there was a Santa and something else, but I didn't want that. I picked up this pack of tissue paper because we're gonna go through tissue paper. Here come Christmas. $2.96, and you get 50 sheets. And I believe there's 5 designs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. 5 designs. Well, 2 solid and 2 print and 1 foil. So not bad. Picked up another pack for $2.96 also. Same thing. So we got 5 designs and 50 total. So yeah, I like that. More affordable. I also picked up this gigantic pillow. How big is this? We need new pillows, guys. 20 inch. So it's a 20 inch, and I believe this was, I don't know. I don't even know how much this was. think it was 12 or something, whatever it is. I still need it because our pillows are dead. So the thing about this one is there's two different prints, same colors. This one is the big gingham pattern, plaid, and then you got the checker print on the other side. And I love the edging right here. Very cool. Very cute, very Christmas. I love that pillow. So I got two of those. And then I found this in the clearance. This is originally $14.93, so $9. Not much of a clearance price, but I'm not paying $14, so I'm good with that. And this is gonna be, might be another gift. Good Christmas gift. Everybody loves blankets. Okay, and then what I got at Dollar General was really quick, not a lot. I picked up this little, what is this called? I don't know what they're called. Chalkboard signs. It's not chalkboard though. It says, "Have yourself a Merry Little Christmas." And it just stands up like that, easel style. There you go, easel board. So I got that for $1, Dollar General. And then I picked up these garlands, which I'm in love with. They're only 4 feet, so I picked up 2 of each. So here's the red. I got 2 of the red, big pom-poms with the little sparklies. And I got 2 of the white, also with the sparklies. And they were all $1 each. $1. I love it. Cheap shopping. Things that we will be needing in pretty soon, which mainly is the Thanksgiving stuff, because my kids are coming home and who knows. But thank you all for joining me. I hope you all had a wonderful day. God bless you, and thank you very much for always coming back and supporting me. I read all the comments, guys. I just, because I'm so busy with my little one and my husband, they both have things, and I can't, you know, I can only stretch myself so far. And yeah, I don't get to the comments right away. I don't respond right away, but I do read them, and I make sure that I like them so that you know that I have read the comments. But yeah, when I do find time, I get there and then I start responding as soon as I can. So I really love and appreciate all your kindness and your support. Please give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye, guys.